Hi, and welcome to Mystery Island, Day 3. We are working on a wind chime today. This is going to be for your pre-primaries, primaries, and juniors. This is basically with all the different supplies. We're going to just kind of go through it really quick, just so you can kind of see all the different simple items they have. So, of course, we're going to start. You have about a 6-inch piece of wood or twig. Again, you can get that at your backyard anywhere. Pretty simple. We have floral wire to have it so they can hang it from anywhere outside of their house, inside their house. From there, you have thin cording that you'll also use for all of your beads. We use this a lot this year. The sorted beads that we use, we have sea glass. We also use some perler beads as well. It's more like natural sea glass looking ones. We do recommend for this one to pre-package into Ziploc baggies so that way everyone has their own set amount and it doesn't kind of roll away from you. It's pretty simple. From there, we have mini craft bells. These are bells you can get pretty much at Factory Direct, Amazon, anything like that. We do recommend also that you tie them at the bottom as a pre-prep option. It helps make things go along a lot easier, especially for the younger kids because they can't tie too well. She's going to go ahead and start on one of them just to kind of see how pretty simple it is. And again, with all the different assorted sea glass beads, pony beads that you have, they can create it however they like. So while she's building it, some of the things on there is I'm going to kind of sneak a little peek here, and it's just a reminder that wherever you hang your wind chime, you feel this gentle breeze. So even if you're by the ocean, you feel the gentle breeze. It's just a help reminder for you that, it's a great gift from the Heavenly Father, and He's always by you. He's always with you. Some things that we've experienced from God is from James 1:17. It tells us that every good and perfect gift comes down from God. So the next time that you eat a mouthful of ice cream or you enjoy a laugh with someone or hear a wind chime, just remember that it's just a reminder of God, the giver of every single good thing that you've ever had. So with that, I'm just going to kind of shift over a little to our more simpler one that we have for even just the pre-primaries and even toddlers. We just switched out all the cording for pipe cleaners, any color, anything like that, and then just any kind of fun beads that you can find. You can get them at any store, anything that you think would be fun. We went with more of like the ocean theme. It has like dolphins. I think there's turtles on there, whales. Anything like that, and just different size ones, so that way it's a little bit simpler for the little hands to guide them onto the pipe cleaners. And then you simply just tie them on to the stick there. You have, instead of the wire again, you just use another pipe cleaner on that as well, and it's simple enough and tangible for the kids to be able to twist on it and be completed. So moving on to our extra craft, we have the little shark guy here. His name's the Great White Shark. It's a great white game. So you simply have a gray paper party cup, 2 large wiggly eyes. From there, there's a pattern. You can't really see it too well, but it's just on gray paper. And then just cut out the pattern on that onto gray cardstock. And then from there, you make the teeth. The teeth are going to be from just white copy paper, and that you use the pinking shears. So we have the teeth on there on one side of it, and that you can simply either glue stick on, tape it on, whatever works the best. You also have a little hole punch on the bottom for your string. It can be any type of string. And then again, you just use a wood bead on the bottom, tie it on there, and then you go to town and just try and get the head in there. The thing with the shark is that even though the shark is the ruler of the ocean, you just need to remember that God is the ruler over everything. And that's day 3.